On Tuesday's homework, we're also talking about division. Here, we have pictures to match the words. It says, divide 6 tomatoes into groups of 3. So we know the size of the group needs to be 3 tomatoes. So they did this one for us. There are blank groups of tomatoes. 1, 2. And then we do 6 divided by 3 gave us 2, our number of groups. I'll show you the second one. Divide 8 lollipops into groups of 2. Now, your child might get confused because they may think that this means 2 groups. However, groups of 2 is telling us that the size of the group is 2. Our unknown factor is the number of groups. Now I count my big circles or my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. 4 was our missing factor. On the back, it says Daniel has 12 apples. He puts 6 apples in each bag. This is telling me the size. This is telling me my groups. And I'm going to put a question mark because we don't know how many bags he needs. Circle the apples to find the number of bags Daniel makes. So I'm going to circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I find out that he needs 2 bags. I started with a total of 12. I divided by 6, or put 6 in each bag, and my answer represents the number of bags, which is 2. Jacob draws cats. He draws 4 legs on each cat for a total of 24 legs. Each cat, we love that word each. It's an action word for division or multiplication. I know my total is 24, and I'm putting 4 on each cat. It says use a count by to find the number of cats. What count by means is we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We know the size. Whenever we use count by, we know the size, but we don't know the number of groups. So I'm going to keep counting on and writing my numbers until I get to my total, 24. I draw another cat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I count by. Count by helps us find our number of groups because now we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We find out Jacob draws 6 cats, and we'd want a complete sentence. Down here, write a multiplication equation to solve. When we have division, the big number or the total starts our equation. In multiplication, we know that our product or the total or the big number ends our equation. I have one of my factors, 7, and I'm trying to find my missing factor. Then we would want them to solve.